Hello everyone. Today we learn classroom vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's go. Blackboard.
This is a blackboard.
Teachers use it to write lessons so the whole class can see. Teacher.
This is a teacher.
Teachers help kids learn new things every day in school. Desk.
This is a desk.
A desk is where students sit and keep their books and pencils. Chair.
This is a chair.
Chairs help kids sit comfortably while studying in class. Clock.
This is a clock.
A clock tells the time and helps kids know the school schedule. Map.
This is a map.
A map shows countries, cities, and oceans on paper. Globe.
This is a globe.
A globe is a small model of Earth with all continents and oceans. Whiteboard.
This is a whiteboard.
Teachers write on it with markers and it is easy to clean. Marker.
This is a marker.
Markers are used in bright colors to write or draw on whiteboards. Bookshelf.
This is a bookshelf.
A bookshelf keeps books in one place for kids to read and learn. Calendar.
This is a calendar.
A calendar shows months and days and marks holidays and events. Poster.
This is a poster.
Posters make classrooms colorful and help kids learn quickly. Computer.
This is a computer.
Computers are used in school for typing, drawing, and learning. Projector.
This is a projector.
A projector shows big pictures or videos on the classroom wall. Bulletin board.
This is a bulletin board.
Teachers use it to display kids' drawing and school notice. Pencil sharpener.
This is a pencil sharpener.
It keeps pencils sharp so kids can write neatly. Eraser.
This is an eraser.
Erasers help fix mistakes by removing pencil marks. Notebook.
This is a notebook.
Kids write lessons, homework, and ideas in their notebooks. Crayons.
These are crayons.
Crayons come in many colors and are fun for art projects. Scissors.
These are scissors.
Safety scissors help kids cut paper for craft and project.